Sorry, because of poor internet connection, I was disconnected. So moving back towards the lecture, but I was telling you कि please pack your bags according to your timetable. अपने timetable के साथ चलिए please. On the daily basis, I am getting these kinds of excuses कि literature की जगह language ले आए या language की जगह literature ले आए. Please बेटा take very good care of these things. कि whatever the week is going on, if you're having your language week, kindly bring your language journals. If you're having your literature week, kindly bring your literature journals. Okay, be responsible for this thing. आप लोग खुद responsible है इन चीजों के लिए. If you miss any of your classwork, this is your loss. This is not my loss. Okay. So we are moving towards the lecture. As I have explained you that we are done with the tenses and translation of all the 12 tenses. हम लोग तमाम 12 tenses complete कर चुके हैं. What is the topic that I have included for today's lecture is passive voice of W family sentences. यानी कि आज हम लोग एक्टिव से पैसिव में चेंज करने के लिए जा रहे हैं सेंटेंसेस को. लेकिन what are these sentences? These sentences belong to W family. Okay, now what is W family? W family words like who, whom, what, which, when, why, where, etc. ये है W family. वो तमाम words जो W8 से start होते हैं, they are the part of W family. So the W family words are who, whom, what, which, when, why, where, etc. are used in all types of sentences, and normally it comes in the beginning of both active and passive voice sentences. Acha, we all know that the Walaikum Salam Fawzia beta. We all know that W family words always come normally in the beginning of both active voice and passive voice. ठीक है, चाहे वो what है, why है, when है, where है, who है, whom है, या इससे related कोई भी W family word है, all these W family words normally come in the beginning of the sentence. Either it's an active voice or passive voice, they will come in the beginning of both active and passive voice, and followed by helping verbs of the tense in interrogative sentences. Obviously, अगर interrogative sentence है active voice, तो जब हम उसको passive voice में change करेंगे, it will still remain passive, interrogative. लेकिन rule क्या है कि W family words के active को passive में change करने के लिए same rules है. There are no changes in the rules while changing an active into passive voice. The rules are same. ठीक है, only the difference is that in the beginning of passive voice W family word comes first. ठीक है, I am repeating once again कि W family sentences जितने भी हैं कोई उसमें difference नहीं है. We are supposed to change active voice of W family sentences into passive voice by following the same rules. Whatever the rules of changing an active into passive voice are same, only in the beginning of passive voice W family word will be there. चाहे वो what है, who है, whom है, when है, where है, जो भी है, W family word will come in the beginning of the sentence. और W family word लगाने के बाद आपने according to the tense identify करके उस tense का helping verb add कर देना है. ठीक है, this is the proper rule of changing an active into passive voice. एक मरतबा दोबारा बता देती हूँ कि right now we are doing active passive voice of W family sentences. We all know that W family words always come in the beginning of an active voice and in passive voice. चाहे वो active है चाहे वो passive है, इनके beginning में ही W family word आता है. But when we are changing an active into passive voice, what will be the thing? All the rules will be same, only W family word will come first, and after writing W family word, you will use the helping verb of that particular tense. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाइए, पास्ट है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाइए, फ्यूचर है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाइए, जैसे ही आप W फैमिली वर्ड पहले लिखेंगे, उसके बाद सेकंड स्टेप विल बी द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट. देखिए अब मैं इसको आपके सामने पढ़ रही हूँ. W family words who, whom, what, which, when, why, where, etc. are used in all types of sentences, and normally it comes in the beginning of both active and passive voice sentences, and followed by helping verbs of the tense in interrogative sentences. We have learned changing normal active voice sentences to passive voice sentence of all types of tenses. Basic rules will remain same for the sentences of W family words. This is what I have explained you. Okay, all the basic rules will remain same while changing an active into passive voice. Only the difference is that in the beginning, W word will come first, and after writing W family word, you will write the helping verb of the particular tense. Okay, now we will move forward. Separate W family word and the rest part of the sentence. यानी कि the first rule of changing an active into passive voice of W family word is this, कि you have to separate the W family word and the rest part of the sentence. There are two parts of the sentences. One is the W family word and the second is the remaining part of the sentence. हमने क्या करना है? We have to separate the W family word and rest part of the sentence. उस एक sentence को हमने दो parts में divide कर देना है. पहला part हो जाएगा W family word and second part will be the rest part of the sentence. ठीक है? अच्छा, now the rest part of the sentence remains a normal sentence. Change it to passive voice as per the rule of the tense of the sentence. यही चीज मैंने आपको previous slide में समझाई कि first step is you have to separate the W family word and rest part of the sentence. Now, the second step is this, कि you will change the remaining part of the sentence according to the basic rules of changing an active into passive voice. और वो तमाम रूल्स आप लोगों को पता है, मैं आप लोगों को बता चुकी हूँ. हम लोग एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस कर चुके हुए हैं कि what are the rules that we are supposed to follow while changing active into passive voice. What are the rules? Number one, we are supposed to use third form of verb. Third form of verb हमें use करनी है. Number two, helping agent by will be used. Number three, subject and object interchange their places. Subject comes to the place of object and object comes towards the place of subject. They interchange their places. ठीक है, ये तीन बेसिक रूल्स हैं जो हम एक्टिव को पैसिव में चेंज करते हुए यूज करते हैं. सो अगेन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर स्क्रीन्स इज the rest part of the sentence remains a normal sentence. अगर आप उसके W family word को निकाल दें तो remaining part of the sentence is a normal sentence and you will change it into passive voice according to the rules of the tense of the sentences. कि अगर present tense है तो उसको चेंज करने के क्या रूल है, क्या हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, आप उसके साथ चेंज करेंगे. पास्ट के क्या है आप उसको फॉलो करेंगे. फ्यूचर का क्या है आप उसको फॉलो करेंगे. ये बात हो रही है रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस की. ठीक है. अच्छा, add the W family word in the beginning of the changed passive voice part sentence. ठीक है. पहला स्टेप ये था कि हमने W family word को और rest of the part of the sentence को हमने डिवाइड कर दिया था टू पार्ट्स में. स्टेप नंबर टू, जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस है वी हैव टू चेंज इट इनटू पैसिव वॉइस अकॉर्डिंग टू द बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ चेंजिंग एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. नाउ द थर्ड स्टेप इज after changing the rest part of the sentence from active to passive, we will add the W family word in the beginning. ठीक है. We will add W family word in the beginning of the changed passive voice part of sentence. अच्छा. Now, all the W family words remain unchanged all the W family, ये point बहुत जरूरी है, सुनिए इसको, all the W family words remain unchanged except two words. उसमें से एक who है, which is replaced by word by whom, and whom is replaced by a word who. ठीक है, आई एम रिपीटिंग, the W family words remain unchanged, ये चेंज नहीं होते हैं except two words, जिसमें से एक है who which is replaced by words by whom, and whom is replaced by word who. ठीक है, अब मुझे प्लीज बताइए चैट बॉक्स में, is it clear till here? Please give me the answer. Is it clear till here? Step number 1, division of the sentence into two parts. One part is W family word and second part is remaining part of the sentence. Second step is remaining part of the sentence will be changed into passive voice according to the basic rules of changing active into passive voice according to their tenses. Step number 3 is after changing the remaining part of the sentence into passive voice, you will add W family word in the beginning. Number 4, W family words remain unchanged except two words, जिसमें who is changed into by whom and whom is changed into who. Now we are moving forward. Okay, अब आपके सामने कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स मौजूद है. See, W family sentence is what are you writing? This is W family sentence. सेंटेंस आफ्टर सेपरेटिंग W फैमिली वर्ड. पीछे मैंने आपको इन तमाम स्टेप्स को वर्बली बताया और अब मैं इस स्लाइड में आपको ये सेंटेंसेस करके दिखा रही हूँ कि स्टेप्स हमने कैसे फॉलो किए. स्टेप नंबर 1, W फैमिली सेंटेंस इज व्हाट आर यू राइटिंग. स्टेप नंबर 2, सेंटेंसेस आफ्टर सेपरेटिंग W फैमिली वर्ड, हमने वर्ड को अलग कर दिया और आर यू राइटिंग को अलग कर दिया, अलग कर दिया. अच्छा जी. Now tense of the sentence. What is the tense of the sentence? It's present continuous tense. Now rules of passive voice. Same rules हमें follow करने हैं. Step number 1, convert object to subject and subject to object. ठीक है, पहला स्टेप था हमने सब्जेक्ट की जगह ऑब्जेक्ट को लेकर आना है. नंबर 2, according to the tense, present continuous tense है तो helping verbs will be is, am or are. उसके बाद क्योंकि ये कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस है तो ing will be replaced by being. Now third form of verb, helping agent by and convert subject to object. ठीक है, and now the remaining part of the sentence. ये वो तमाम रूल्स हैं, बेसिक रूल्स जो हमें फॉलो करने हैं. W family word comes in the beginning. Triple X is being written by you. हमने W family word को रिप्लेस करके अभी उसके सामने XX लिख दिया है. अभी हम इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे helping verb से, सॉरी W family word से. Here we will write XXX in place of W family word and make passive voice as a normal sentence, जैसे कि आपको मैंने यहाँ करके दिखाया. Now remove X and write the W family word. वालेकुम सलाम ज़यान बेटा. एंड रिमूव द W फैमिली वर्ड. अच्छा, अगर तो वो W फैमिली वर्ड हु है तो इट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय हु, वरना अगर कोई और है वर्ड तो इट विल नॉट बी चेंज्ड. सो व्हाट इज बीइंग रिटन बाय यू, ये मैंने आपको चेंज करके दिखाया. आप एक और एग्जांपल देखिए. W फैमिली सेंटेंस क्या है? व्हाट डिड ही टेल. सेंटेंस आफ्टर सेपरेटिंग W फैमिली वर्ड, सेपरेट किया, वर्ड को अलहदा कर दिया, डिड ही टेल को अलहदा कर दिया. स्टेप नंबर 3, व्हाट इज द टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस? टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. अच्छा, रूल्स ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस, यानी कि रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस को हमने चेंज करना है पैसिव वॉइस में अकॉर्डिंग टू द बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ वॉइसेस. सबसे पहले convert object to subject. According to the tense, helping verb will be was or were. Third form of verb, helping agent by. Convert subject to object and remaining part of the sentence. अच्छा, ये करने के बाद W family word comes in the beginning. Here we will write X in place of W family word and make passive voice as a normal sentence. बिल्कुल उसी तरह जैसे मैं आपको पीछे बताती हुई आई. Now, after changing the remaining part of the sentence from active to passive, we will replace this X and we will write the W family word. Now remove X and write the W family word. What was told by him? ठीक है. Another example. ये सारी examples मैं आपको करके दिखा रही हूँ. Okay, again another example, W family sentence. Which book do you want? Sentence after separating W family word, book do you want? Question mark. What is the tense of sentence? Tense of sentence is present indefinite tense. Rules of passive voice. Convert object to subject. According to the helping verb present indefinite tense, it will be is, am or are. Third form of verb, helping agent by, convert subject to object and remaining part of the sentence. W family word comes in the beginning. Here we will write X in place of W family word and make passive voice as a normal sentence. Dash book is wanted by you. But now, after changing remaining part of the sentence from active to passive, we will remove this X and we will replace this X by W family word. Which book is wanted by you? Question mark. Okay, next example. W family sentence is, when will he lodge an FIR? Lodge means darj karwana. FIR, darj karwana. Okay. When will he lodge an FIR? Sentence after separating W family word. Will he lodge an FIR? Now identify the tense. Tense of the sentence is future indefinite tense. Rules of passive voice. What are the rules of changing an active into passive voice? वही rules follow होंगे. Convert object to subject. Will or shall. DEB. Third form of verb. Helping agent by. Convert subject to object and remaining part of the sentence. Okay, again the same thing. W family word comes in the beginning. Here we will write X in place of W family word and make passive voice as a normal sentence. Now remove X and write the W family word when an FIR will be lodged by him. Please tell me in the chat box, are these examples clear? Please tell me in the chat box, are these examples clear? क्या आपको ये समझ में आ रही हैं? Hurry up, beta. Okay, okay. Now another example in front of you. First sentence after separating W family word. Who has slapped my friend? हम separate करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा has slapped my friend. अच्छा जी. What is the tense of the sentence? Tense of the sentence is present perfect tense. Now, rules of passive voice. All the rules are same of changing an active into passive voice. Remaining part of the sentence will be changed into passive voice according to the basic rules. Convert object to subject. Helping verb will be has or have. Been. Third form of verb. Helping agent by. Convert subject to object and remaining part of the sentence. Okay. Again the same thing. W family word comes in the beginning. Here we will write X in place of W family word and make a passive voice as a normal sentence. X has my friend been slapped. क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं है, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क भी आएगा, ठीक है। नाउ रिमूव एक्स एंड राइट द W फैमिली वर्ड हु इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय हु। ये बात मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ कि नो, मैं हुरिया भी आपको दिखा देती हूँ। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस फर्स्ट. Okay, now we know that no W family word will be changed, they will remain unchanged, but except who and whom. So who will be replaced by the words by whom. By whom has my friend been slapped. Okay, previous sentence, हुरिया अब आप ये देखिए कि W family sentence is when will he lodge an FIR. Now we are separating W family word and remaining part of the sentence. Will he lodge an FIR? Tense of the sentence is future indefinite tense. Rules of passive voice are same. Conversion of subject, object to subject, will or shall, DEB, third form of verb, helping agent by, conversion of subject to object and remaining part of the sentence. हमने हेल्पिंग W फैमिली वर्ड को अभी नहीं रिप्लेस किया, उसकी जगह हमने X ही लिखा है. FIR will be lodged by him. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये थोड़ी सी मुझसे टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हुई है. लेट मी करेक्ट यू कि विल पहले आना चाहिए था. ठीक है. विल FIR be lodged by him. XXX will FIR be lodged by him. क्लास 10 आप समझ रहे हैं कि XXX के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा इस टेंस का और वो है will. Will FIR be lodged by him. अब जब मैं इसको चेंज करूंगी तो मैं W फैमिली वर्ड पहले लेकर आऊंगी. When will an FIR be lodged by him. अब क्लियर हो गया ये आप लोगों को? नहीं, इसलिए कि अभी मैं बताती हूँ आपको. पहले आप इस सेंटेंस को समझने की कोशिश करें कि मैंने आपको रूल बताया है कि W फैमिली वर्ड हमेशा बिगनिंग में आता है और उसके बाद हम टेंस के अकॉर्डिंगली उसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करते हैं. तो W फैमिली वर्ड बिगनिंग में है W, when, और उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा will. When will an FIR be lodged by him. ये मुझसे टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हुई है, आई एम सॉरी. W फैमिली वर्ड के फौरन बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा. इसी तरह से who has slapped my friend. अब जब मैं इनको सेपरेट करती हूँ तो who अलग हो जाएगा, has slapped my friend अलग हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो W को तो मैंने रिप्लेस कर दिया by whom से. अब by whom के फौरन बाद मैंने हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाना है. By whom has my friend been slapped. यही तो रूल है एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस का और नरेशंस का कि जब हम नरेशंस को डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करते हैं तो इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस चेंजेस इनटू असर्टिव सेंटेंस. लेकिन अगर हम वॉइसेस को एक्टिव से पैसिव में चेंज करते हैं तो इंटेरोगेटिव रिमेन्स स्टिल इंटेरोगेटिव. वो इसलिए कि W फैमिली वर्ड है तो उसके फौरन बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा टू मेक इट इंटेरोगेटिव. अब आप देखिए मजीद एग्जाम्पल्स आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑन योर स्क्रीन. अब आप ये देखिए, विच कार डू यू ड्राइव. विच कार डू यू ड्राइव. अब देखिए इसको मैंने कैसे चेंज किया. विच कार इज ड्राइवन बाय यू. लेकिन अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि टीचर ने अभी हमें कहा कि W फैमिली वर्ड के फौरन बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आना चाहिए. बिल्कुल सही बात. लेकिन अब आप देखिए क्या इस सेंटेंस की कोई सेंस बन रही है अगर मैं कहूं which is car driven by you. Which is car driven by you. ठीक है, समझ में आ रही है. कुछ सेंटेंसेस में हमने उनकी सेंस को भी चेक करना होता है कि इज द सेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज राइट और रॉन्ग. ठीक है, इसलिए which car is driven by you is the right answer. Shifa, you got it, beta? Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Which film did you like most? अब उसी तरीके से वही मैं यहाँ पे was पहले नहीं ला सकती. Which was film liked most by you? It's not making any kind of sense. तो इसीलिए मुझे यहाँ पे पहले फिल्म लिखना है Which film was liked most by you? Question mark. Okay. Sentence number 3. When will you repay your debts? When will you repay your debts? अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे मैंने exactly same rule follow किया है कि in the beginning W family word is there and after writing W family word helping verb is there according to the given tense. First of all, what is the tense of the sentence? It's future indefinite tense. The helping verb will be will. Now, after writing W family sentence, the helping verb is will. When will your debts be repaid by you? When will your debts be repaid by you? When will your debts be repaid by you? अगर मैं your debts के बाद will लगाऊं तो that will not interrogative, that will assertive sentence. लेकिन हमने एक्टिव से पैसिव में चेंज करते हुए इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस को इंटेरोगेटिव ही रखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. When did he reply to your letter? When did he reply to your letter? Obviously, in the beginning, I have W family word when. Now, after writing W family word, helping verb will be there. क्योंकि did है, did means it's past indefinite tense. When was your letter replied by him? When was your letter replied by him? Okay, next sentence. What will you discuss with your fiance? What will you discuss with your fiance? Obviously, W family word will come first. What? Okay, now I have to see the tense. Tense is future indefinite tense and helping verb will be will. What will be discussed with your fiance by you? या आप इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. What will be discussed by you with your fiance? ठीक है. What के फौरन बाद helping verb according to the tense will. Okay. Now, next sentence is what is making him to break the contract? What is making him to break the contract? अच्छा जी. In the beginning, W family word is there. Now I have to see which tense is this. Is making, it means it's future continuous tense, and ing will be replaced by being. What is being made to break the contract by him? What is being made to break the contract by him? Again, I am repeating. What is being made to break the contract by him? Next sentence. What were you suggesting him at this stage? Helping, सबसे पहले W family word what. Now, according to the tense, what is the tense? It's past continuous tense, and helping verb will be was being. What was being suggested at this stage by you to him. ठीक है. या आप इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. What was he being suggested by you at this stage? ठीक है. What was he being suggested at this stage by you भी हो सकता है. 2-3 तरीके हैं इसको करने के. ठीक है. But the rules are same. कि W family word will come first. After writing W family word, I will write helping verb. What was being suggested at this stage by you to him? Okay. Some more examples. What has the police recorded in FIR? What has the police recorded in FIR? Again, सबसे पहले W family word what. After that, helping verb has been. What has been recorded in FIR by the police? And question mark is must because When we change an interrogative sentence from active to passive, sentence still remains interrogative. That is why question mark is must. Okay. Why did they withdraw their support? Why did they withdraw their support? Okay, first of all, W family word, that is why. Helping verb was, because it's past indefinite tense, and was will be the helping verb. Why was their support withdrawn by them? Why was their support withdrawn by them? And question mark. Why was their support withdrawn by them? Question mark. Okay. Why do elected leaders not fulfill the expectations of people? Why do elected leaders not fulfill the expectations of people? Again, the same thing. Why, first of all? A W family word in the beginning, why. What is the tense? Tense is present indefinite tense, so the helping verb will be are. Why are the expectations of people not fulfilled by the elected leaders? Why are the expectations of people not fulfilled by the elected leaders? Why are the expectations of people not fulfilled by the elected leaders? Okay, last sentence. Why did you disobey your parents? Why did you disobey your parents? And see, W family word in the beginning, why? What is the tense? Tense is past indefinite tense, so helping verb will be were. Why were your parents disobeyed by you? Why were your parents disobeyed by you? Now, class 10, please tell me, is it clear? बेटा प्लीज मुझे बताइए कि इज टुडेज लेक्चर क्लियर? एनी कंफ्यूजन, एनी क्वेश्चन, एनी प्रॉब्लम दैट यू वांट टू आस्क? अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं बेटा. अच्छा ठीक है, सारे रूल्स वही हैं. पहला स्टेप ये है कि हमने एक W फैमिली वर्ड को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है, सेंटेंस को. स्टेप नंबर 1 क्या है कि W फैमिली वर्ड अलहदा कर दिया और रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस अलहदा कर दिया. स्टेप नंबर 2 क्या है? अब हमने देखना है कि व्हाट इज द टेंस. अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस को चेंज करना है पैसिव वॉइस में अकॉर्डिंग टू द नॉर्मल बेसिक रूल्स. वही रूल्स जो हम एक एक्टिव को पैसिव में चेंज करने के लिए लगाते हैं, चेंज करने के लिए यूज करते हैं, वही रूल्स हमने चेंज करने के लिए यहाँ यूज करते हैं. अच्छा, अब जब हमने बेसिक पार्ट रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस को पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर दिया, तो अब बिगिनिंग में हम क्या लेकर आ जाएंगे? W फैमिली वर्ड को लेकर आ जाएंगे. हाँ, नो W फैमिली वर्ड चेंज, कोई चेंज नहीं होता W फैमिली वर्ड एक्सेप्ट 2 वर्ड्स, जिसमें एक है who रिप्लेस हो जाता है by whom से, और whom WHOM it is replaced by who. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. फौजिया, इट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर मी, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, उसके बाद हमने क्या करना है कि जब हमने W फैमिली वर्ड को बिगिनिंग में लेकर आ गए, तो क्योंकि हमने इसको इंटेरोगेटिव ही रखना है, तो इंटेरोगेटिव रखने के लिए हमने W फैमिली के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब तो पहले ही लगाया हुआ होगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस, प्रेजेंट टेंस है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली लगाएंगे, पास्ट है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली लगाएंगे, फ्यूचर है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली लगाएंगे. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर बेटा? आई होप टुडेज लेक्चर इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. और जो बच्चे कल स्कूल आ रहे हैं, द ग्रुप विच इज गोइंग टू कम टू स्कूल टुमारो, बेटा वो आज वाली असाइनमेंट जो मैं अभी गूगल क्लासरूम पर अपलोड करने जा रही हूँ, दे आर सपोज टू डू दिस इन देयर जर्नल्स. वो कल करके आएंगे. अगर आपके पास आपके जर्नल्स हैं तो आप करके आएंगे, अगर आपके पास नहीं है, वो मेरे पास है चेकिंग के लिए, तो डोंट वरी, इंशाल्लाह टुमारो आई विल रिटर्न योर जर्नल्स टू यू, देन यू कैन डू इट. ओके, Now take very good care of yourself. Stay safe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.